when Sky was going to be doing drugs.
Today, I'll be opening my Look Fantastic beauty box that I got in the mail. Now, I did open the package, but I did not open this box, so I have no idea what's in it. Let's open it now.
No, time. No, I don't want to do any time. Or I'll testify against justice for no time.
See, it says let your dreams blossom.
I'll even give you a gift. Adam Stein over at the New York Ledger
Let's see, it has a book.
says that there is a lot of response to that bit about your daughter. Now, I went up to him and I took some photos. You could see. Keep the photograph. What do you know? Justin Smoker hired me in a bathroom with the Formosa Club.
Let's see, in here we got
doing drugs.
eyelashes.
He knew that she'd be doing drugs? He planned on giving them to her that night because he knew that she had been trying to kick, so she wouldn't be able to resist.
I have no idea
Was vulnerable.
how to put eyelashes on.
What was your arrangement with Mr. Smolka?
But I'm gonna try.
He was going to give me $100 grand for my shots. For what purpose? He said
that's what it said. There was in the U.S.
In their divorce
But apparently,
he signed a prenup with
I went to the wrong thing.
But what happened
In
with
my
your
box
business
was from the
arrangement with Mr.
UK.
Smolka? When I actually got the shots, I
Let's see, we
decided
get the
to up my
rose
price to
infused
$1 million.
mask.
When did you tell Mr. Smolka this? The day before my apartment got broke into, and I cop got shot.
Never tried these before. Let's see, and we got this Envant pink orchid honey, white foam, restoring overnight serum.
You have one bargaining chip, Mr. Smolka. The truth about Mike Whalen's involvement.
What's it called?
Let's see, we got
20 years.
Ren Evercom Global Protection Day Cream.
You too?
All I wanted was you to love me.
Let's see, we got this nail polish, Mayfair Lane.
You asked for him!
I asked you to watch out for me and you set me up! My career's over!
I never killed any cop.
Yes, you did. And you told me you did.
Then we got this.
Fighting this fight or die.
It's a exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips.
Mike Whalen took 8 years.
Over the internet? Sky Please on chips or fans forget right hand that looks like they have this climber for a biopic.
This is true, there's no such thing as bad ink.
Oh, these can't
Oh, it's this little wash before use. What? And that is all we got in the Look Fantastic box. So we got 1,
In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by 2 separate yet equally important groups. The police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders.
5,
These are their stories.
and 6 stuff in that box. Thanks for watching and blessed be.